Okay, so in this video we're just going to talk about the requirements for the course, and the requirements are brutally simple actually. You just need to have a Mac computer that can run Xcode, and you need to obviously have Xcode installed on your system. Now, I recorded the course using Xcode Beta 4, so anything over Xcode 7 Beta 4, I should say. So anything Xcode 7, Beta 4, and above will be good for the course. Now, I'm just going to bring up the App Store because this is where you would generally get Xcode from. So here on the App Store, if you were to click, or you could just type in Xcode up top here, and then it'll bring you here, and this is the first hit. And go into Xcode now. I want you to actually go into Xcode though before you download it, because I want you to see what version it is. Because right now the App Store has version 6.4, but if it's 6.4 when you go to download it from the App Store, or it's 6 point whatever, we need Xcode 7 or above. So any version that is 7 or above. Now, if that's not available in the App Store, just go to your browser and switch over to Chrome here and go to developer.apple.com/xcode/downloads, and here you'll be able to download Xcode 7 current beta release. Now, I suggest getting the version from the App Store if possible, but if they do not have Xcode 7 in there yet, then go ahead and download the beta, and that'll work fine for you. Okay, so chances are by the time you're viewing this video, you'll be able to download it right from the App Store, but if not, here's your other option. Okay, so, and that's all we really need for the course, and we'll be able to get started. So go ahead and download and install Xcode 7 if you haven't already, and we'll begin.